What is up, my fam bam? Ashley Elizabeth here with AHHHH Artistry, back for another fall Thanksgiving type of video, depending on what country that you live in. If you're here in the States, hey, what's up? Happy Thanksgiving. At the time of uploading it, it is tomorrow. If you are in another country, hey, happy fall. Even if it's not the type of country that has fall seasons, don't worry, I feel you. I am in Southern California and we just like to pretend that it's fall. Although it is cloudy today, so I had to turn my brightness up a lot. Hopefully it's not too blinding because it is really cloudy. Fingers crossed that it rains, but sometimes make a big hype that it's gonna rain and then it doesn't. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. So, moral of the story is, I hope that you guys are all having just a good season, a good day. Today, I'm gonna keep it fast, short, and simple, sweet, and cheap, because we are doing a full face of drugstore / affordable type of products, because I know some of these you can't get in a drugstore, but they are super cheap. Most of it you can though. Yeah. I don't know about you, but on holidays, it's a lot of running around and craziness. Like you're trying to get the food done if you have company coming over, or maybe you're just sitting on the couch waiting for your mom to get your food done, and at the very last minute, she's like, you better hurry up, everybody's on their way. And you're like, I better go get ready. And she's like, you were supposed to get ready an hour ago. And you're like, I don't have any time, only have 15 minutes. So you only have 15 minutes to get ready. Well, I'm gonna show you the products that I like to use to help things go rather quickly, and I'm gonna try my best to do it in 15 minutes. The last episode that I did where I was like, you know, super fast, I only had 10 minutes. It was a very nuded out look, very, very simple. I try to give myself a little extra time, maybe glam it up a tiny bit, depending on what time allows. Truth be told, most of the time I'm just not even wearing makeup, you know, or I have a little bit. Sometimes I like to glam it up. You know what? I like to keep everybody on their toes because I'm not always like the same thing. Sometimes I'll be full on glam, sometimes I'll be in my PJs. Well, I am in my PJs. That should be the mandatory dress code for Thanksgiving, is comfy pants, because food. I'm also not going to be doing a talk through this because I can't do both, because that's a lot. But I'll show you the products and stuff as I'm using them. I'll pop them up on the screen. So if that sounds all good and dandy, you know what to do. Sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Okay, I got my basket of goodies all laid out in front of me. I already picked ahead of time which products I'm going to be using. The only thing is I just have my brush cups just like this. I didn't pull any out ahead of time because I didn't want to like make it too easy. But that's my first tip, is if you're in a rush, try to just get out everything you can if you have a few things and just like put it out and then apply, you know, then worry about that. Get your sponge wet, all of that ahead of time, because most of the time, honestly, when we're in a rush, we're just searching for products and we're not even putting them on. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this timer. I'm nervous. Okay, on your marks, get set. Go. Okay. Wow, it's gonna be really hard not to talk through all of this. Okay. I don't know what if I want to do a sponge or a thing. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have done a cushion compact. And it's like empty. Squeeze out as much as I can. I'm just taking that little pad out of the container. That just happened. That just happened. And you know what? It worked well. Wow, I just wasted 1.5 minutes. Okay. Do your magic, baby. Do your magic concealer. Picture it now. Your mom's yelling at you. Your dad's yelling at you. Where are you? Everybody's almost here. And you're like, I'm ready. But really, you just started. Maybe you are the one cooking and your friends and family are knocking on the door and you're like, oh crap, I'm not done yet. Let's go ahead and prime the eyelids while we're on the concealer. And I need a little more coverage on these guys. I'm not even contouring, I'm just bronzing because ain't nobody got time for a full contour. Oh, whoa, I went a little heavy. Okay, 9 minutes. That's pretty good, I think, so far. Don't get cocky, though. Don't get cocky. Okay, now if you feel like you want a little two-hand, kind of brush it out a little bit. Yeah. I'm save the brows for last because, oh my gosh, brows are hard to freaking do under pressure. It's like a wing liner. Not gonna happen. Just setting the whole lid. Probably should have set this with the setting powder, but too late for that. Okay, I want to take my finger into this orangey, yellowy gold type of shade. And just pat it on. We're just gonna add a little sparkle to the lid, boys and girls. Okay, if we have time, I'll go in and put a little shadow. Oof, and there, yeah, I need to just do it. God, I don't have time for blending, actually. I don't have time. Oh, a little bit. Okay. Some nude liner always makes you look awake. Just gonna do the upper waterline. Don't poke your eye out if you're rushing. I just poked my eye. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Oh, I'm so ready for Christmas movies. Just kidding, I've already been watching them. All right, that's something. Okay. Oh, 6 minutes. My eyes are watering because I poked my eye, so I'm gonna do my lips really quickly. Oh, I did way too nude. Oh man, I should have a pop of color. Shoot. I should have done that. I'm not in my room or else I would pick something else. Let's try using this gloss. Okay, we'll revisit that in a second. I don't have time to think it over. Okay, we are almost there. I got how much time? Okay, I have 3 minutes. Okay, I might be able to still do my brows decent and then revisit things if I work fast enough. Pretty good though. This looks really similar to that other look that I did. I wanted it to be different. Maybe if I do this fast, I can put on some lashes. Oh, I don't know. Oh, 1 minute. Oh girl, 1 freaking minute. A little bit of spritzer spritz. Okay, do I have time to put it? Oh, 18 seconds, 18 seconds, 18 seconds, 18 seconds, 18 seconds. I'll amp it up a little bit. In the nick of time. In the nick of freaking time. Okay. Hey, how are you? How you doing? Let's take a look at what I was able to accomplish in 15 minutes. 15 minutes seems like a lot of time. Girl, it ain't. All right. So this is what I was able to do in 15 minutes. Very glowy, huh? Holiday spirit. Got some shimmer right there. Now, this does look really similar to the 10-minute look that I did, except much different products used, a lot cheaper products. I'm gonna go get another lip to make it look more different and more holiday-y, but I wanna show you how you can amp up this. If you just have another minute or so, you can do some lashes. I brought some lashes because I was optimistic, but you know, yeah, what was I thinking? So let me just pop these on like that to show you. If you have time, that will just like bring the whole look together. Or I brought that same, this is like the stuff that I used the other day when I did like the full glam Thanksgiving tutorial, and you could put some on your finger and just pat it a little more sparkle, and you could easily just pat it right on, and you don't have to do glitter glue or anything crazy. You can just take some glitter that you have. If you have those Stila glitter and glows, this will work good. And that is just really pretty. I brought some other palettes, so I should have dipped into this one. If I had more time, I would take this little chocolatey shade and deepen up the crease a little bit. Just like that, and see what a difference that is. Yeah, you know, just prioritizing. Maybe give yourself 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes to lose your mind and do your makeup real fast, and then you'll be fine. And that's if you already have your hair done. I'm not even counting that part. I'm gonna go pick out a actual like lipstick color because I'm looking a little washed out. So I'm gonna go pick a nice folly one. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm liking this brown lip with this look. So this is the Arcade by Kiss Forever Matte in the shade. Oh boy, these are $2, you guys, CVS. So remember, while I was doing my lip, it can take me like 5 minutes to do a colored or deeper, darker lip. So I maintain the fact that you should just throw on a nude lip real quick. If you're in a rush, keep this in your pocket and have a little lip wardrobe change after dinner, you know, just switch it up. Be like, okay, now I have time to sneak over to the bathroom and apply a full lip. I'm gonna do it. Or after you greet your guest, or after you help your mom with the stuffing, or whatever it is that you're gonna do. Or do the nude lip and just deepen up if you have time. If you have time. It's all about prioritizing when you're in a rush. Honestly, eyebrows are my top priority. That's why I saved those for the last moment, so I can, you know, take a little more time with it and then go back and revisit everything if I have time. This setting spray, you guys, it doesn't smell great, but it's nice. It's glowy. I'm liking it. Didn't separate my foundation or anything like that. Anyways, that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If this is your first time stumbling upon my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome. I'm not always just frantic and crazy and well, that's debatable. But anyways, you're going to want to go down and hit that little red subscribe button. That way you can be part of our fan bam and you'll get notified when I upload, which is at least 3 times a week, except for the week of Thanksgiving right now, which is 2 times because Friday, Black Friday, we're all running around sometimes, or we're sleeping because tryptophan. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy your holiday, or you are enjoying your holidays. I hope that you're enjoying fall. I hope that you're just having a good life and living your best life. You guys are awesome. I am thankful for you guys. I am thankful for so much. Thankful for the roof over my head, the food in my belly, and I'm so thankful for you guys. And I hope that you take a moment this week to enjoy the little things. Take that time to hug your family, hug your friends, anybody. Hug a stranger. No, don't do that. Well, unless they say it's okay. But just my little random Charlie Brown, you know, sentimental speech. Just remember, it's all about the little things, and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope every single one of you guys have a great, awesome, freaking wonderful, happy, lovely, blessed, thankful, grateful, just amazing day.